Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at 5 of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best tennis racket for beginners. The Head T.S6 tennis racket is a lightweight, powerful, and user-friendly racket designed for players looking for a balance of power, control, and comfort. Pre-strung and ready to use, it is an excellent choice for beginners, intermediate players, and recreational tennis enthusiasts who want to improve their game. One of the standout features of the T.S6 is its oversized head, 115 square in, which provides a larger sweet spot for better accuracy and forgiveness on off-center hits. This makes it easier to generate clean shots with more consistency, reducing mishits and improving overall performance. The titanium and graphite composite frame keeps the racket lightweight, 8.9 ounces unstrung, while maintaining excellent strength and durability. The graphite fiber construction ensures a solid, stable feel, while the titanium reinforcement adds extra power to every shot without requiring excessive effort. With a length of 27.75 inches, the T.S6 offers extended reach and leverage, making it easier to return shots and add power to serves. The open string pattern, 16x19, allows for enhanced spin potential, giving players more control over ball placement and shot variation. The head-heavy balance, 8 points HH, provides extra power and stability, making it easier to hit deep, powerful shots with minimal strain on the arm. Despite its power-oriented design, the racket remains comfortable and easy to maneuver, reducing fatigue during extended play. Overall, the Head T.S6 tennis racket is an ideal choice for recreational players, beginners, and those looking for an easy-to-use racket that offers power, stability, and forgiveness. Its lightweight build, oversized head, and user-friendly design make it one of the most popular options for players looking to enhance their game without sacrificing comfort. Number 2. Best tennis racket for intermediate players. The Yonex E-Zone 100 7th Gen tennis racket is a high-performance racket designed for intermediate to advanced players who want a blend of power, comfort, and control. Featuring Yonex's signature isometric head shape, this racket provides a larger sweet spot, offering better forgiveness and consistency on off-center hits. With a 100 square in head size, the E-Zone 100 delivers a balance of power and precision, making it an excellent choice for aggressive baseline players and all-court competitors. The unstrung weight of 300 g, 10.6 ounces, ensures stability while remaining maneuverable for fast-paced rallies. The 7th generation E-Zone 100 incorporates Yonex's 2G NAM speed graphite technology, enhancing frame flexibility and snapback for added power and spin potential. The liner tech system optimizes string movement, increasing comfort and reducing unwanted vibration, making the racket arm-friendly. Additionally, vibration dampening mesh (VDM) is integrated into the handle, minimizing harsh vibrations and improving feel. With a balance of 320 mm, 7 points HL, the racket offers easy handling for quick reactions at the net and powerful ground strokes. The 16x19 string pattern promotes excellent spin generation, making it ideal for players who rely on heavy topspin or slice shots. The E-Zone 100 is known for its plush feel, offering a comfortable and smooth hitting experience while still packing plenty of power. This makes it a great option for players looking for a racket that doesn't strain the arm while still providing the necessary explosiveness for offensive play. Overall, the Yonex E-Zone 100 7th Gen is an excellent choice for competitive players seeking a powerful, comfortable, and spin-friendly racket that enhances their overall game. Number 3. Best tennis racket for advanced players. The Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 tennis racket is a high-performance racket designed for advanced and competitive players seeking a blend of control, feel, and spin. As part of the Blade V9 series, This version continues Wilson's tradition of enhancing stability and responsiveness while maintaining the signature flexible feel that blade users appreciate. With a 98 square in head size, the racket offers precise shot making and excellent control, allowing players to dictate play with accuracy and confidence. The 16 by 19 open string pattern increases spin potential, making it ideal for modern baseline players who rely on heavy topspin. The V9 model introduces Wilson's stable feel technology, which enhances torsional stability, giving the racket a more connected and solid feel on impact. The Direct Connect carbon fiber handle improves feedback and comfort, ensuring a clean response on every shot. Weighing 305 g, 10.8 ounces, unstrung, the Blade 98 V9 provides a good balance of stability and maneuverability, making it effective for aggressive baseliners and all-court players. Its 7-points headlight balance, 320 mm, allows for quick racket head speed, making it easier to generate power and react at the net. The thin 21 mm beam contributes to its classic, flexible feel, giving players a natural connection to the ball. While it is not as power-oriented as some other models, it provides exceptional precision and shot control, rewarding players with a more refined playing style. Overall, the Wilson Blade 98 16 by 19 V9 is a top choice for competitive players who value precision, feel, and spin. Its stable frame, comfortable flex, and spin-friendly string pattern make it a favorite among aggressive baseliners and all-around competitors looking to control rallies with accuracy and confidence. Number 4. Best tennis racket for power. The Solinco Blackout 300 tennis racket is a power-focused performance racket designed for aggressive players looking for a mix of explosive power, spin, and maneuverability. It is ideal for intermediate to advanced players who want a modern, fast-swinging frame with easy access to pace and spin. With a 100 square in head size, the Blackout 300 provides a generous sweet spot, making it more forgiving on off-center hits while still offering good precision. The racket has a 16 by 19 open string pattern, which enhances spin potential, allowing players to hit with depth and control from the baseline. Weighing 300 g, 10.6 ounces, unstrung, the racket has a balanced feel, making it stable while still being easy to swing. Its 7-points headlight balance, 320 mm, allows for quick maneuverability, making it effective for fast-paced rallies and aggressive net play. The firm beam construction, 23.5 mm/26 mm/23 mm, adds stability and power, ensuring solid performance on big ground strokes and serves. The Blackout 300 features Solinco's Power Flex Zone technology, strategically adjusting the flex of the frame to provide a comfortable yet responsive feel. This makes it arm-friendly, reducing vibration without sacrificing performance. Additionally, the liquid crystal technology, LCT, dampens vibrations, improving touch and comfort. Players who enjoy an aggressive baseline game will appreciate the effortless power and spin of the Blackout 300, making it easier to dictate play. It also performs well at the net, with a stable feel on volleys. The racket is well suited for big hitters looking for controlled explosiveness. Overall, the Solinco Blackout 300 is a great choice for players who want a modern power racket with a good mix of stability, spin, and comfort, making it an excellent option for competitive intermediate and advanced players. Number 5. Best tennis racket for control. The Wilson ProStaff 97 V14 is a high-performance tennis racket designed for advanced players who prioritize precision, control, and feel. It is part of Wilson's iconic ProStaff line, known for its classic, crisp response and excellent ball feedback. With a 97 square in head size, the ProStaff 97 V14 offers a compact, control-oriented design, giving players maximum accuracy on every shot. Its 16 by 19 open string pattern enhances spin potential, allowing for added bite on ground strokes and serves while maintaining consistent shot placement. Weighing 315 g, 11.7 ounces, unstrung, the racket has a solid, stable feel, making it ideal for players who generate their own power and prefer a more controlled, tactical game. The headlight balance, 7 points HL, ensures fast handling, making it effective for quick reactions at the net and smooth transitions between shots. The Pro Staff 97 V14 incorporates Wilson's paradigm bending technology, which strategically adjusts the flex in the throat and hoop for a perfect balance of power and control. This results in better feel and responsiveness, giving players more confidence on aggressive strokes. The braided graphite plus Kevlar construction continues the tradition of the Pro Staff line, offering a unique, classic feel with excellent touch. Additionally, the ergonomic end cap enhances comfort and improves playability over long matches. The sleek, copper-brown color scheme adds a modern aesthetic while maintaining the Pro Staff's signature professional look. Overall, the Wilson Pro Staff 97 V14 is best suited for experienced players who prefer a precision-focused racket with a traditional feel, excellent control, and great stability. It's an ideal choice for aggressive all-court players who value pinpoint accuracy, responsive feedback, and a connected feel to the ball.